Okay guys, welcome back. I got these Inpreda engine guards a heck of a lot quicker than I imagined I would. They kind of give you a 30-day window. These specific ones, there was two places where they could ship from, is Prague and Istanbul, and mine came from Istanbul. So it's cool. So I got them, 3 weeks sooner than I thought I would, which is really nice because right now there is good temperatures out to ride, and I know within the next month in Iowa they go down to the negatives and you can't really ride for a couple of months. So just wanted to kind of show you, this side was a little bit of a pain to install. It looks like there was more material, so I had a little bit of an issue getting this bolt through, so it probably rubbed the inside of it. No big deal, I still got it. The quality, they're kind of dirty from when I was riding here. It's pretty good. The welds, I've seen a lot worse welds on cheaper engine guards, so I'm pretty happy with these. Basically every bolt on here is a Allen head bolt, besides the nut and the bolt that goes through here, that goes through your engine. I would recommend having two people. I did it on my own, however. It wasn't an issue for me. I have long arms. I'm a real tall guy, 6'6", 6'7", no issues. But it's kind of nice having that helping hand. So you have this bolt here, smaller, I don't know what size Allen head, but two up top. This is the last piece you put on. The first piece is the bottom engine guard. Like I said, there's a through bolt that goes through the engine there. You can see it there. And then it connects up on the frame. Really easy to do, really simple. I put some Loctite on those, even though they have that little rubber bit on them, so they don't vibrate off anyway, just for my peace of mind kind of thing. Then you put on the skid plate. I'm not a huge fan of these, but it works. There's six. There's two and two on the other side, and then there's two in the back, which they kind of angled out goofy, but it works. And the skid plate is good material. I would suggest having a long Allen head to get into this bolt after you install it. I didn't have like a T-handle. I just had a bit ratchet that I was able to get it with, so that kind of sucked. But besides that, it's pretty easy. Like I said, the welds, they look, pretty good. There's a little bit of slag in a couple of spots, but not too bad overall. Definitely a fairly high quality. The powder coating looks pretty good. Couple little, bubbles, flaws. No big deal. That they're gonna get scratched eventually anyway. To me, that doesn't matter. I was just wanting the protection, and I really wanted, you can see. There's no way that's gonna go. Skid plate's nice. The engine guard's nice, and the upper fairing guard is great too. The best thing to do is get the set. I think it was $240 free shipping, relatively fast shipping to the middle of the country. Yeah, really happy with them. Obviously I've had no crashes yet, and I'll probably do a video when I do crash, which will probably be in the spring when I'm at the off-road parks, because I like to ride these bikes on things you shouldn't, tracks, trails, all that fun stuff. So yeah guys, I think that these Inpreda, if I even say it right, Inpreda engine guards are nice quality. The welds are good, the powder coating is good, the material, all that stuff. I know it's always a little like I'm ordering from another country. I don't exactly know how it's gonna fit. Things are different, materials, practices to do everything is different. But I can tell you, even though there's not a lot of reviews on these, that I have, high hopes of everything lasting. Just everything that I've reiterated on has been great. So, like I said, you can do it on your own. The engine guard itself is better to have two people, just so the through bolt through the engine, bottom bracket, whatever, is easier. Otherwise, you're kind of laying on the garage floor. Having a ratchet on one side, ratchet on the other, a little bit of pain in the ass, but no big deal. So yeah guys, that'll be my review for this one. I'll probably have some more riding videos before it gets too cold. But yeah, have a great day, and I hope any of you that buy this product, they do, because don't second guess it. It's nice. There's not a lot of options for a full engine guard. So yeah, have a great day.